DFA in which word and in 00. So what will be the language for this? So 00 can come, 100 can come, 1100 can come, 000 can come, 100, 100, and so on can be the language. So start with the DFA. Q0 as initial state, because word will end in 00. So from Q0 to Q1 a transition for 0, and Q1 to Q2 a transition for 0, because word is to ends in 00. So we make Q2 as a final state, and because alphabet is 0 1, so from Q0 there is a one transition for 0, and Q0 or one transition for 1 as a loop, because it should be end in 00 and initially it can be anyone. So we make a loop of 1 from Q0. In the same way, from Q1 to Q2 there is a transition from 0, and Q1 to Q0 there is a transition for 1. In the same way, we can make a transition from Q2 to Q2 as 0, because it should be end in 00, and from Q2 to Q0 we make a transition for 1. So in that way we find all the strings like 00, 100, or 1100, or 000, or 100, or 100, or any string. So it will be the final DFA for in which word should end in 00. The next word which start with 00 and end in 1. So what can be the language? 001, 0011, 001, 001, and so on. So what will be the DFA? We start with initial state Q0, and from Q0 to Q1 we make a transition for 0, because it should be start with 00, and from Q1 to Q2 we make a transition for another 0, and from Q2 to Q3 we make a transition for 1, because it should end in 1. So we make Q3 as a final state. Alphabet is same 0 1, so we take care of rest transition. What will be? From Q0 there is a transition for 0, but from Q0 there is a transition for 1, but because it will always start with 0 or 00 we can say, so it will be a dead state. In the same way, from Q1 to Q2 there is a transition for 0, but from Q1 there is a transition for 1, then it will also go to the dead state. And from here we can give a transition for Q2 to there is transition for 1, so we can give a transition for 0 as a loop on Q2, because it will always start with 00. So more than 0 can be possible, more than 20 can be possible, but initial condition is that 20 should be there. So if we put a loop on Q2 as a 0, so it will give either 0 or 10, 20, or no 0. So the condition will always remain true. So that's why we can put a loop of 0 on Q2. In the same way, for Q3 we can give a transition for Q3 to Q2 as 0, and we can make a transition for Q3 to Q3 as 1, because it always should end in 1. So we can make a loop of 1, but 4 zeros. That's why we give a transition from Q3 to Q2, because so that move from this state to this state and end in always in 1. So this will satisfy all the condition. Always start with 00 and always end in 1. Now move to the next word, in which no substring 111. So what can be the language? Language can be 0, 1, epsilon, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and so on. So what will be the DFA? Start with initial state Q0, because it can be epsilon, so we can make it as a final state, and it can be 0, so Q0 to Q1 we can make a transition for 0 as a loop. So either it will run or it will not run. If it will run, then we will get single 0. If it will not run, then we will get epsilon. When we make a transition for Q0 to Q1 as a 1, so we will get one transition. So we can make Q1 as a final state also, and from Q0 there is transition for 0 and there is transition for 1. For Q1 there is a transition for 0 also, and from Q1 to Q2 there is a transition for 1, so it can also be a final state. So we will get 0, we will get 1, we will get epsilon, we will get 0, 1, or like this also 0, 1, or 1, 0, or 1, 1, but we should not get triple 1. So we cannot give 1 to the, we cannot move to the next state, and we cannot give any 1 from Q2. So if we will give, then we will reach to the dead state, and if we will give 0, then we can go like this way also. So we will get 1, 1, 0. So in that way we will never get triple 1. So what is our condition? That a word in which no substring triple 1 should be allowed. So this is the final DFA for that.